Hi YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on 1Password. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on try 1Password for free. So first let's click on individual, let's choose this plan. Okay, after that we're gonna just enter, make a name, like my name will be Nets, last name will be Tech, and my email address will be there. So after that, if you want to receive emails from 1Password, you can check this, but I don't want to, so I'll just click on next. So after that, you'll receive an email in your mail account. So here we just go into the site, copy the codes, and then just enter. So now we have to set a password. Make sure your password is strong, guys, like mine. It should be more than 10 characters. Okay, so after that we can just add an account and create a card and add a card later. So here is it, guys. We'll just wait a key, and we have to just create our key. So this is our backup key. We'll just copy it. Okay, I think that we should just copy it by saving the PDF file. So right now we're in. So first off, you see that here we can look at these tutorials, like get the 1Password browser extension, move your passwords in, and show your passwords on your email devices. Okay, so first off, now we can make a vote. Here we have a personal vote. Here now we can store our passwords. Here's our account, NetTech. We can copy our email, we can copy our name and everything. There's did you know tab, notes, and stacks. We can also see our password, our account username for the password, so our email, our password. We can reveal the password, but I won't do that. So I'll just I think I can create a password right here. Okay, maybe not. I'll just create a new vote. The name of the vote will be vote just give me vote 1, and the description will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So now we can create a vote, and in here we can import data. We can like delete the vote, and we can import data. So we can now see the vote. Now we can add a login, secure notes, credit card, identity, password. So I'll show you how to make a how to add a password, guys. So here is the title. Now the title will be YouTube login password, and here we can enter the password. So my password will be Tate 3030 exclamation mark Tate. So after that we can add a website, like it will be www.youtube.com, and we can add another website, but we don't need it. We can also add a label, like text URL, email address, and etc. We can add note, stacks, and everything. So I'll just save it, and we can see. So here's our password, here's the nickname, YouTube login password, we can see here is the YouTube channel. It opens with the link. We can see when it was last modified. We can see the password strength. We can review it. We can copy it. We can see it by the large type. We can see that with black letters are written. With black are written the letters. With blue are written the numbers, and with red are written the special characters like exclamation mark, maybe question mark or whatever, guys. So here's our vote. So just show you all the votes right here. There you can favorite items here for quick access. You can choose a single vote to focus on something. We can see our logins, we can see our identities, passwords, and everything, guys. So I will just show you that you can also change your email, regenerate secret key, change password. You can do everything, guys, right here. You can also edit the details of your account. You can add a picture on your account. Maybe you'd like napkins. You can add this that looks kind like a napkin to me. You can also add this piano type profile picture and whatever. You can also add a custom from your PC, but we don't need that. So I'll just show you also the pricings right here, guys. We like some minutes ago the pricings were shown on our screen, but we didn't see them. So here's one of the here's one of the plans, but I'll just show you all the plans. 1Password. Okay, wait. Plans. Okay, so now here's the pricing plans of everything. So there right now are 4 pricing plans, each with its special kinds of perks and everything. Like the individual plan is 265 plus VAT, which is a tax. Euro families is for 475 plus the tax, and team starter pack is 1695 plus VAT, and business is the 699 plus VAT per month. You can also bill annually when billing is selected and everything, guys. You can also get a quote. You can talk with the sales team to choose the price before buying everything, and you can also hear an enterprise edition to also set a certain price. And yeah, guys, so that was it for the video. I hope I have helped you with this beginner tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.